Trooper nakaslem jong nong san Hima.
Haka Thong ban ajing hikai ki khna ban nong hikai Shapang ka Scouts Guides movement ki bor page bor penyat ke Bharat Scouts and Guides East Jantai Hills District. Haka khandro terik hado kat pratrik uni ubanai kila penlong ka fourth winter annual camp and unit leaders training Hasarasvati Vidya Mandir Hakang Ong East Jantai Hills ki khna Scouts Guides bat ki nong hikai. Ïaka jingilang la penyat dau Ishang Pliang District Secretary MBSNG is Jantai Hills Haka jingidan lang u Ellingdor DSEO is Jantai Hills Cleared Komu Kong San Berkakong Pirkar SDSEO is Jantai Hills District u Ellingdor haka jingkran Komu Kong San ula aimen sim bat yatu Ïaka Thong Treikam juga Scouts Guides Movement kadi ban le Eiei ke babahatam bat Myntoi Ïaka Imlang Sahlang namar kata tolong ki basim khia ban wanra Ïaka jingkhu jingsuba bat ban shem kilat kilenti ban pisang tho Ïaki nong sang Sahlang ka jingdan kam ban le khuat bat ban sumar sukher ka me maryang bat ki saudong saukun khnang ban lai na ki jingtin jo hadien habon ha kani ka singi lawan ne shimenta di kibriu jaka Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides headquarter Sahlang paganthop UW Lingda State Secretary MBSNG State Headquarter Sahlang Badu Adiam Ubuthu Scouts Master.
Thong. Scout Guide, salute. Hands down. Parade. Every morning for the flag hoist, we Scout Guide, we make these formations and
would like to also share here among our beloved students and the members of the Scouts and Guides. See, what is important as students is that we take up the topic of cleanliness. And here in the East Jantai Hills, most of the towns, villages, role or task is there to be led by our beloved teachers who are themselves here, have enrolled themselves as the Scout Masters and the Guides Captains and so on.
Time to be with us in spite of busy schedule. So thank you sir so much for your generosity and also for
either unit leader or the unit leader has to ask from the principal. Because once a school operates a Scout Guide unit or a Rover Ranger unit, they are provided with a charter when they start initiating the movement within the school. Okay, so they will be provided with a charter. Within the charter, there is a charter number and there is a charter date. Alright. So next part, group contact number. This group contact number